So this is the first question, that which of the following will show the hyperconjugation or where the case of hyperconjugation is possible. What I told, that for hyperconjugation there should be a double bond and adjacent to the double bond a sigma bond alpha hydrogen is needed. So this is the double bond, this is alpha carbon, but our priority is, our requirement is alpha hydrogen, not the alpha carbon. So this is having a alpha carbon, but this alpha carbon doesn't have any hydrogen. No alpha hydrogen. No alpha hydrogen. This doesn't have any alpha hydrogen, so it cannot show. So it cannot show the hyperconjugation. The next case, this is the double bond and no alpha carbon. No alpha carbon. In third case, this is the case, this is the alpha carbon, but this carbon doesn't have any hydrogen, no alpha hydrogen. Now come to the fourth. This is having a alpha carbon and this carbon is having 2 hydrogen. So this is having 2 alpha hydrogen and this will show the hyperconjugation. This will show the hyperconjugation. Now the next one is reverse hyperconjugation. Let me explain what is the reverse hyperconjugation. In hyperconjugation, what happened? Suppose this is the case. So what has happened? This double bond came to this side. This double bond has came to this side. This got negative charge. This hydrogen is normal and this hydrogen got a positive charge. So here we are having 2 different type of the charge. It's a positive and is having the negative charge. But suppose opposite happens. At the end, del positive charge is there and with the carbon it's a, suppose Cl negative charge is there. So the same thing is happening here. If in this case nature of charge get reversed. उस वाले केस के अंदर में पॉजिटिव चार्ज रोटेट हो रहे थे, इस वाले केस के अंदर नेगेटिव चार्ज रोटेट होने हैं. ये एक बारी यहाँ पे, दूसरी बारी यहाँ पे, तीसरी बारी यहाँ पे. जैसे ये हमारा केस है, इस वाले केस के अंदर देखते हैं. Cl and Cl, this sigma bond, this double bond. Now what has happened? This double bond went to the side. This Cl negative, this Cl, and this part is having, the next carbon is having del positive charge. So the sign has been changed. This one was negative, this one was, in case of hyperconjugation it was positive. Now this is negative. In that case this end used to get positive charge, now they are getting the in that case they used to get the negative charge, now they are getting positive charge. So by the same way, one time this, so this 3 can go for reverse hyperconjugation. These 3 can go for reverse hyperconjugation. So this will show reverse hyperconjugation. What's about this? This doesn't have any double bond in the sequence. This doesn't have any double bond with the carbon chain. So it can be written like this. This is Cl, this is Cl, this is Cl. Suppose this double bond goes to this side. In that case, C double bonds, and one Cl will be there, next will be Cl negative, next Cl. So by this it can rotate from this, this Cl, this Cl and this Cl. So 3 times it can undergo reverse hyperconjugation. Reverse hyperconjugation. So these two are the example of reverse hyperconjugation.